Hey, welcome back. It is 7:17. All right, here's the deal. You want to cut the cost of your gas in half. You're going, nah, it can't be done. Yes, it can, and Nick Saccone is going to tell us how we're going to do that. How you, Nick?
Hey, we're at the Texas Gas Service here in Central Austin. I'm joined by Terry Green, a very appropriate name for the work she does. She works for, like I said, Texas Gas Service. Yes. And she's showing us this Honda Civic, which is quite a bit different than your normal Civic. It's not a hybrid, it's not electric, but it is the cleanest combustion engine vehicle you can get. And we were talking earlier about this unusual gas tank. Can you take us on a tour, show us what makes this car different?
Well, this is a Honda Civic GX, which comes off the factory line in Ohio, and it runs exclusively on natural gas. It's built to run on natural gas, which is a domestically produced fuel. Like you said, a very clean fuel. It looks, feels, rides just like a regular Civic. I've driven it for a year. The only difference is how you fuel it. And the tank, the fuel tank, is in the trunk. So you have about half the trunk space.
Yeah, let's see that. It gets it's a little bit of squash. You can still get a set of golf clubs in there and maybe a suitcase though, right?
Absolutely. The tank is a cylinder and it's carbon wrapped aluminum, so it's very, very safe. Natural gas is lighter than air, so if anything should, people are always concerned about the safety of the vehicle because where the tank is.
Well, yeah, you're driving around with, explodable, flammable fuel.
Right, but so is gasoline. Actually, gasoline is even more so. But natural gas, if anything happened, natural gas is lighter than air. So it would dissipate vent and it would dissipate up in the atmosphere, as opposed to gasoline or other fuels that will pool down under the car.
It pools, and then we get that great scene we see in the movies all the time where the whole car explodes.
Right.
You don't have that with the gas.
No.
Right?
No, Honda's made this for about 10 years, and there has not been an incident.
So that's, it's nothing new, right? So why hasn't it caught up here in Texas or in other parts of the country? It has in California, but it hasn't taken off everywhere. Why not?
The main reason is because of lack of a public refueling infrastructure. There's really no place to refuel it. Here in Austin, there's one public refueling station, and it's at the city's refuse area, and that's called a fast fill station.
That's this right here. Can you show us how this works?
This is actually called a home refueling unit.
Okay.
It's called the Fill, and it's a natural gas appliance you can put in your garage, off your gas line, and refuel your car slowly at night. It's called a time fill unit at about a half a gallon an hour. So you get home at night, you take this hose, you bring it over here, and you just click it on.
And it ends
start.
up, and then it goes.
Totally closed system.
And then an equivalent in terms of, comparing it to gasoline in your regular car is about $1.50 a gallon.
Per gallon.
We're going to get
equivalent.
more into these details and how you can fix your own car to maybe work on this and fuel up at home with your own little fuel station. We're going to talk about that coming up just after 8 o'clock.
All right, Nick, we will see you then. Kerry.
And I got a sales pitch for you. Are you tired of going to the gas station paying $4 a gallon, and then you're tempted, you want to get a bag of chips, maybe a soda? Well, how about getting your own refueling station for home that you just plug and pop right into your car and just kind of let it sit overnight? Save you over half on your gas bill. Show you about that coming up next.
Get the edge at myfoxaustin.com.
Want to cut your gas cost in half? Well, you can. You just have to maybe use a different kind of gas. Now, Fox 7's Nick Saccone is in Central Austin this morning to tell us all about it. Hot topic, Nick. How are you?
Good morning, Carrie. Well, all's well up here. It's a little sunny, a little hot. Thanks for asking. We're at Texas Gas Service, joined by Terry Green, who has a very appropriate name for the story we're talking about this morning. We're talking about a very clean car. In fact, the cleanest car named by the EPA for the last 5 years. It's pretty good. Tell us what makes it so clean, Terry.
It runs on natural gas.
Well, there you have it. Thanks. That was a good story. We're all done. Show us how it works. Tell us all about it.
This is a Honda Civic GX, and it runs on natural gas. The only difference really is how you fuel the car, and it runs on clean-burning natural gas, which is domestically produced.
Well, let's see this gas station while you tell us about the car.
We now have a home refueling unit that you can put in your garage at your house, off your gas line, and refuel your car for about $1.50 per gallon of gas equivalent. And all you have to do is you come in at night, you hook it up, turn the machine on, and it refills at night while you're sleeping, so you don't ever have to go to a gas station.
Well, let's talk about cost. The car is about $25,000.
That's correct.
And then there are a bunch of rebates. Tell us about the rebates you can get.
There's a $4,000 federal tax credit that's available, and also the Texas Gas Service Conservation Program will pay $2,000 cash incentive for customers who live inside the city limits of Austin and Sunset Valley.
And so the mileage per gallon is about the same as a regular Civic, 25 to 30.
Yes.
And it's, like we said before, it's very clean. Let's talk about the cost of the actual refueling station here.
The refueling station is about $4,500 plus installation, and that can vary. They're a new appliance here in Austin, and we're thrilled to have it. It really makes the car a more viable option for the general public.
And we're looking at the gas tank here. This is a trunk, but this is the back end of here. This is all you have for a trunk, enough room for maybe a suitcase or a set of clubs. Inside there is the gas tank. You're telling me it's super safe, right?
Yes, it's aluminum carbon wrapped cylinder, so it's very, very safe. There are a lot of regulations that regulate the safety of these types of cylinders. Natural gas is a very safe fuel inherently, that if anything did happen, natural gas vents into the atmosphere, so it's a very safe vehicle fuel, whereas gasoline, if anything, if you had an accident, tends to pool underneath the car and create a dangerous situation.
Right, like we were talking before, that's your possible movie star ending there with the explosion and everything, right? The car's only available at Howdy Honda here in Austin, for now anyways. Texas Gas Service is also pushing different businesses to change their entire fleet of vehicles, to change those. Save a lot of money, makes things a lot cleaner. Just got to have things catch on a little more here. In California, this is already very popular. In other countries, this is nothing new. This is very old technology. So hoping Texas Gas Service, hoping this sort of thing will catch on. Carrie, what do you think? Is this for you?
Yeah, absolutely. I think it's really neat. I love those rebates too. Nick, thanks so much.